Good morning, ninth grade. How you doing? Are you ready for a math lesson? What is it, 10.3? I don't even know what, but look at the next lesson, don't even know the number. Yes, 10.3, cancellation in unit conversion. I tell you, we should have had this lesson at the beginning of the year so that science class would have been familiar territory. If you recall back, I taught this in science class. I don't know if it was the first unit, but maybe by the second unit, how to convert and to cancel out units. And Mr. Wiley, or however you say his name, that wrote the science book, taught you this lesson already. And so you've done this in science. Today it's kind of maybe a review. So you read your instructions, look at your examples, and I think the main thing that you need to do is when you setting up the problem. That is going to be the most difficult thing when you're converting, but it's not that difficult if you get the concept in your mind. In your mind, to cancel, you have to go cross corner. Does that make sense? Okay, the units that you're wanting to eliminate. If you're wanting to, if you're wanting to eliminate hours and you want to convert it into minutes, then you have to put your hours one on top and one on bottom so you can cancel them out. And then that will equal your minutes if that's how you're changing it. Or flip the coin and I want my final answer to be in hours, and you have minutes and hours mixed. So then put your conversion so you cancel out the minutes and it will equal the hours. So if you get that concept in mind, ask what do you want in the final unit, and then cancel out the other unit by putting them not straight across from each other, but diagonal, just like a fraction, okay? Think of canceling like you cancel fractions. So here we go. Karen read, I'm doing number one. Karen read in a book about a man who weighed 12 stones. Whoa. Didn't know they weighed people by stones, but they must have. How many pounds did the man weigh? Okay, 1 stone equals 14 pounds. Okay, the man weighed 12 stones. So put it in a fraction form. Put the 12 over 1. He weighed 12 over 1, and we'll put stones. Okay, now remember, our final answer, we want to know pounds. How many pounds did the man weigh? So over here in our answer, we want to know pounds. So what do I need to cancel out? Stones, sure. Okay, so look at your ratio. 1 stone equals 14 pounds. So I'll just quickly do this here so you understand. 1 is pounds, and across the corner I put 14 stones. Did I do that right? I didn't. What did I do right? Wrong. 1 stone equals 14 pounds. You see, pay attention to what you're doing. Set your ratio up according to the equation. You have 14 pounds and 1 stone. What I'm telling you, the stones have to equal, you have to be able to cancel them out. If you put the 1 on top and the 14 on the bottom, you're in trouble. Now, this is a multiplication problem. Oh, that's not the way you write multiplication. That's a multiplication problem. And so you simply go 1 times 1 is 1, and 14 times 12 is, oh, that's what calculators are for. Yeah, get yours out. 14 times 12 equals 168 pounds. He weighs more than I do. 168 pounds. Is that hard? Not really. Okay. Gavin's family was driving from the United States to Mexico. Their gas tank holds 26 gallons. How many liters will it take to fill the tank if it is half empty at the gas station? 1 gallon equals 3.79 liters. Now, they had to be from Pennsylvania. Do you know that? Because in Pennsylvania they have half empty, but in Indiana we have half full. The tank was half full. Okay. Now, it's not hard to figure out. I mean, it's simple. When you want to fill up a tank, and you put gas in it or water in it or whatever, which part fills up first? The bottom. So it's half full. Forget that half empty part. Yeah, I'll let that there be. In case some of you are from Pennsylvania, sorry, you'll have to just keep having half empty tanks. We have half full tanks in Indiana. Oh, yeah, that's got off the side of the track. You have half full tanks. So how many gallons would his thing actually hold? How many gallons are you going to put in? 26 total, half of that. Well, you should do that. Oh, yeah, get your calculator up. Hang on here. 26 divided by 2 equals 13. Got it. 13. Okay, you got 13 gallons. And again, put it in a fraction form. And now I say, I want to change my final answer. I want liters. I don't know how to spell liters, but that's L-I-T is going to work. And over here, on this here, my fractions tells me that 1 gallon equals 3.79 liters. So I'm going to go 1 gallon. So I can cancel. And 3.79 liters. And I multiply that. This is liters here, and that's going to equal, I don't know how many. Oh, calculator, right. Well, you see if yours works. Mine's wore out. It's tired of working. Okay, and we have the last one. The largest diamond ever found weighed 3,106 carats. There we go, I think I said that right, carats. How many ounces is that? 1 ounce equal 142 carats. Okay, the largest one was 3106. 3106, and these are carats. Okay, so this is a 1, put them in a fraction automatically. You always put the original 1 in a fraction, just put them underneath 1. Now, you need to set up your problem so that you cancel out the carats. So, I have got 1 ounce equals 142 carats. Where am I going to put the carats? Up here or down here? Well, that's done. 142 carats. And I put the 1 on top. Now, I want to enter, this is OZ. I want OZ. Can you see that? Oh, it just about runs it off the board. The answer runs off the board. Okay, there we go. Well, I got to go 1 times this 3106, so I can tell you what that one is, 3106 on the top. And the bottom is 1 times 142, so that's 142. Oh, I still don't have the answer. Oh, you can't see the answer, can you? There we go. There's your fraction. It's an improper fraction. It happens to be in this story problem. They want a proper fraction. So if you can figure out from this, you'll have to go 1 step farther, and that will tell you the ounces. Enjoy your lesson, and I'll catch you tomorrow.